Good afternoon. This is another video. Another video today. I'm doing pretty good. I wanted to review 6 different. Sorry. I'm sorry. I stepped mid-sentence. I was just looking for something. Anyways, 6 different lip conditioners. I think I'm qualified to review lip conditioners because I have... That's not a lip conditioner. That's an eye primer. Anyways, I have really dry chapped lips, and I've had really dry chapped lips for a very long time. So I've used a lip conditioner almost every day, and I've used a whole different bunch of them. So I just wanted to go through some of the more expensive ones and give you my thoughts and feelings so that maybe I can spare you a few dollars here and there. Oops, sorry. Okay, so we're just going to get right into it. So the first one is from Fresh, and it's their Sugar Lip Treatment. It has SPF in it. It's SPF 15. I don't personally care about that, but I know that some people do, so I'll mention it. That might be a positive for you. Unfortunately, Fresh does a lot of things right. Like, I have one of their cream eyeshadow palettes, which is wonderful. But this is one product that they got wrong. This will actually make my lips more dry. Like, if my lips are in a healthy condition, I can use this for a couple days and they will dry right out. In addition to the fact that it's a little expensive, in addition to the fact that it smells bad, it's just not very good. And I don't remember the price, but I know it wasn't cheap. So I would say skip this. Skip it. I mean, I can't imagine how this could be moisturizing for someone. Like, if you're someone who already has pretty healthy lips and you're just looking for something, just for ha-has, just to put on, maybe to keep it a little bit more conditioned, you can find something else that will do that that's not as expensive as this. So this is a big no. My second no, as far as conditioning goes, is the Tinted Lip Conditioner by MAC. And this is in Feeling Good. Now, this is a no as far as conditioning is. However, I would repurchase it for the simple fact that it's a really pretty color. It's a really pretty color. And on days when I want something more than a conditioner on my lips, this is what I reach for. It's beautiful. It's very subtle. It's very sheer. And it doesn't dry my lips out. It just doesn't help them. So this I would repurchase because I think it's between like $10 and $12. It's not expensive as far as MAC goes, and it's a really pretty color, and it lasts a really long time. You get quite an amount of product in here, so that's actually not so bad. It's just not good as a lip conditioner. Just wouldn't help your lips. Okay, next, and this is a on the fence as far as repurchasing goes. I guess it depends on the condition of my lips. It's the EOS Lip Balm, and it's cute because it's cute packaging, and it's cute because you don't have to get your fingers dirty because you hold it and then you just go like that and it's all done. And it smells good. So all those things are positive, and it's cheap, so that's a huge positive. But unfortunately, it's fair as far as conditioning the lips goes. If my lips are already in a healthy condition, this can maintain them. This can't fix them. It doesn't fix them. And my lips dry out very quickly, so my lips are just really resistant to moisture. So although if they were healthy and I started using this, I would have to use this like 3 to 4 times a day, every day. And as if I missed a day, you can forget about it. My lips would be right back to where they were, and I'd have to start the cycle all over again. So it has some good things going for it because it's cheap, but it doesn't actually fix my problem. So for those of you who have good lips, this actually might be a pretty good purchase. It's cute, keeps your fingers from having to stick your finger in the pot and stuff, and it's not bad as far as conditioning goes. So it might work for other people. It just doesn't work that well for me. Okay, and my next, this is okay. It actually does a good job conditioning. I just won't be repurchasing it. And this is the Korres lip butter. I have this in guava. Cons, it's a little expensive. It's like, I can't remember if it was either $10 or $12 at Sephora. But I think that's a little expensive as far as lip balms go. You know, other con, I don't like the way it smells. Other people like it. So, you know, really, who's to say whether you would like this or not? So that, you know, okay, so there's that. Pro, it's pretty moisturizing. Pretty moisturizing. If my lips are semi-dry and they're a little bit flaky, you know, and they just need a little bit of reviving, using this for like 2 days will bring my lips back to life. It actually works. Flip side, I won't repurchase because the effect doesn't last long enough for me. You know, I like to be able to take a day off from using a lip conditioner and not have to worry about the next day having dry lips again. And for this, if I miss 1 day, my lips go dry the next day. So the effect doesn't last. It's like a cover-up as opposed to a solution for my specific problem. Again, I can't say, you know, it's not super expensive, and you may like the smell, and you may have good lips. So for some of you, this might actually be your rave lip butter. But this just doesn't really work for long term for people, for me, a person with a dry lip problem. So there's that. And then the last two are what I actually like. And we'll go with my second favorite. And it's the Bobbi Brown Lip Balm, and it has SPF 15, and like I said, I don't really care about that. I mean, I'm pretty fair. I need as much help as I can get in the tan department, but I'm a little tan now only because it's, you know, it's summertime. You know, give me a couple weeks. Don't worry, I'll impress you with my whiteness. So this is very moisturizing. It's really good stuff. And although it's a little pricey because it's Bobbi Brown, you get a good amount of product, and you know, you use it up pretty slow, so it's lasted a pretty long time. So I've been satisfied with that. I have really no smell to it whatsoever, and I'd rather have no smell than a bad smell, so that's also a pro. If my lips are unhealthy, like they're cracked, they're so dry that like they're cracked, or they're so dry that they're flaking and you get like those crusties, you know, this will fix it, and the effect lasts for a while. This is good stuff. This is good stuff. I really like it. So that's that. And then this is my #1 all-time favorite, like, lip cure. I call it the cure. And it's so funny. This is an example. This is one of those examples where you get what you pay for. It doesn't work. This is the Cocoa Care Cocoa Butter Lip Balm. This one I don't think has. This one doesn't have SPF in it, but like I said, I don't care about that. This is like, I found this at CVS in like one of those bins at the register. You know, that you just like, they try and get you to like buy those random little things when you're you know, checking out. And this was up there, and I bought it because, you know, my lips are always dry, and, you know, you can never hurt to try something. It is amazing. My lips can be so damaged and so dry and so nasty. I spent 2 days using this, maybe 2 or 3 times a day, and they are plump, and they are healthy, and they are smooth and moisturized, and I can stop using it. I can, like, take 3 days off, and my lips are still good. They're still conditioned. They're still healthy. And that's priceless to me. So this stuff, I mean, wow. Who would have knew? I will have to say that it does have your typical cocoa butter smell, which isn't the best thing in the world, but it isn't the worst. It's not pleasant, but it's not unpleasant. But I can get over it for what it does for my lips. So that's that. That was a little quick review on 6 different lip treatments, 4 of which are fairly expensive, 2 of which are cheap. Yeah, don't be fooled by the hype with, you know, these. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and most of all, I hope it was helpful and that you had something fun to watch. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.